What is logical fatalism? First of all, fatalism is the belief that what will be, will be. Since all past, present, and future events have already been predetermined by God or another all-powerful force, such as fate. In religion, fatalism may sometimes be confused with predestination, that is, the doctrine that God chooses those who go to heaven before they are even born. One of the dominant arguments in fatalism is logical argument. This argument depends not on causation or physical circumstances, but rather argues based on logical necessity. There are numerous versions of this argument, but the most famous are by Aristotle and Richard Taylor. These have been objected to and elaborated on, but very few people accept them. The key idea of logical fatalism is that there is a body of true propositions, or statements about what is going to happen, and these are true regardless of when they are made. So, for example, if it is true today that tomorrow there will be a sea battle, then there cannot fail to be a sea battle tomorrow, since, otherwise, it would not be true today that such a battle will take place. As we can see, the argument relies heavily on the principle of bivalence, that is, the idea that any proposition is either true or false. As a result of this principle, if it is not false that there will be a sea battle, then it is true. Here, there is no in-between. However, rejecting the principle of bivalence, perhaps by saying that the truth of a proposition about the future is indeterminate, is a controversial view, since the principle is an accepted part of classical logic. Another problem with logical fatalism is that, first, you must accept that there is a timeless set of all propositions which exist without being proposed by anyone in particular. Constructivists would argue that this is not the case, and that propositions only exist when they are constructed or expressed.